Nanaya amponsa Petrokop a ewo Moldova no edinchemu ba se omonyo madwen se ombesan Mukwala enimanimu ya the report enra enamu se Nanaya amponsa team a ewo Moldova ebefa Mukwala Kumasi Asante Kotoko na wasign pre-contract ne ade a and some of me madwen se menkami but etore bia nsem bi wo ho a eba no anka bi nso a emu questions ne ade amanfo edeba na ya na no hye nchemu aba Nanaya amponsa oye co-owner of the club no edi nchemu aba according to him no ono ne plan enye players like Mukwala oba Ghana as a matter of fact players young guys omo efefe no okusunya ne Kumase ne ade na wasese omo na wasan omo na Mukwala obesan Mukwala no ebetima ye business deal but for now empanyifo ewo Moldova en consider say omo ne Mukwala ebedi kasubom sisia because Mukwala na nkasa oni ni agent no omo aye omo ho business people omo nso omo de adwuma enenam report friend Nana Joe Mukwala sign pre-contract with Nanaya amponsa no for now no kre bako see kra enim. I can also state that on authority saye kodai ade achi ena nsesaye beba ama Mukwala join Petrokop ewo Moldova eno adechiye mu nsem but for now the reporter na enra na jo enam say Mukwala Daisy sign pre-contract for the former CEO of Kumasi Asante Kotoko Nanaya amponsa no the kreba say in Ghana Premier League continues this weekend, March the 28th. Legon Cities Edinburgh kum Chelsea game no ebaso ene Friday ya haso folk phobia ye echina ometena fie ne Accra Lions omo share ya cho haso folk Nations FC ebetena fie ne Gold Stars Bechem United ene Heart of Lions edebe pem so Aduana FC ene Karela edebe pem so Insua Trene Bofo akwa edebe pem so Kumasi Asante Kotoko metema ukuma pem beba esamoto yemfa nkotwa loto ye piem ewo takwa ye ni Miriama SC game no baso Saturday echina FC Samates any Great Olympics and Dreams FC Royal Tamale United no postponed because of Dreams FC and Zamalek ewo CAF Confederation Cup Baba Yara Sports Stadium kwesi ara no miensa ye frigate yinyina ye botchi na yakọ sa game no sa Dreams FC timeje cup ya Kotoko D4 next year obebo Africa vemwom yonko support